Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get right on into the soft makeup look. So of course we're gonna start off with my honey collagen spray. I really love this mist because it hydrates my face because I have dry skin. Then we're gonna go in with something new. This is color corrector that I learned from somebody on TikTok. If you have dark spots and you're like my complexion, a reddish orange undertone, really a red color corrector will help like cover up those dark spots underneath your makeup better. So yeah, we're gonna blend that on out. I put it under my eyes because sometimes I'm like battling hyperpigmentation. So if you have hyperpigmentation too, this is probably gonna be good for you. Then I'm gonna go in with some primer, and I really just don't have any specific products that I'm specifying in this video. I just wanted to get ready with y'all and just show y'all some stuff that I do for a really quick soft makeup look. And of course, I'm gonna go back in with this Juvia's foundation, but once again, obviously we know the top is broke, but it was a pretty good coverage, so I'm gonna just let it do what it do. I'm not gonna put it to waste, and we just gonna put that on. So yeah, the only thing I will say about this is it does have a very strong perfume smell, and I have sensitive skin. The first time I put it on, it did not bother me too much. I will say this video was about 4 days ago, and I don't know if it was because I didn't clean my face well after I took it off. We're gonna put it on the lace because we need to make everything match. Anyways, so I'm not sure if it's because I didn't wash my face all the way or it was this foundation. But where my nose ring is, I thought it was a keloid and I was a little scared, but it was a really big pimple, and there was I don't know, it seemed like there was some makeup left, so I want to blame it on myself and just say that I didn't clean underneath my nose ring area. But then I started getting a few pimples on my face afterwards. Anyways, we're on to the brows, but I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm not sure. I haven't had that issue with any other foundation, and the second time, which is this time that I put it on, I actually wore it all day. The first time I didn't wear it all day. I just put it on for the video. But this time I wore it all day, and I did have a little bit of a breakout. So yeah. Anyway, so I was really excited about this pencil because y'all seen what a chaotic mess I was with the brow pomade, and that was just a hot mess. Now, will I say I'm the most bestest at eyebrows? No, absolutely not. But to me, this looks good. Okay, because I think I might just keep using the pencil because I was doing my thing with that. And then we're gonna go with a little bit of highlight. I use a fairly lighter shade underneath my eyes, and I've said this before. I went in underneath thinking that this Pro Girl concealer was my skin tone, and it wasn't, so it was kind of a waste of time. But basically what I was trying to do was put the lighter concealer where I wanted the bright under eye. I put that lighter concealer right underneath of my eye, and then you would go in with a concealer that was a little more closer to your skin tone underneath of that and blend it out so it can have no harsh lines and just blend out pretty seamlessly. So yeah, your girl's looking alright. I'm looking alright. I think I made the eyebrows a little thick, but it's a work in progress. It's a step up from that turd bra job that I had. That was pretty terrible. Anyways, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna finish contouring. I don't know how to contour. I really just call this bronzing, but I'm really trying to learn how to contour better because my chin getting a little Natalie Nunn-ish. So anyways, then we're gonna go in with a black eyeshadow. And mind you, don't y'all talk about my brushes because I told y'all I just moved last month and I lost all of my eyebrows. I lost all of my brushes, so I only have 3 brushes. I can't even talk. I only have 3 brushes, and this was okay for this because this was a packing brush. But when I get to the blending for this brown, girl, I used another packing brush. It was just a hot mess, but it looked alright though, so I'm not too mad at it. Anyway, so we're gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna go into the crease a little bit in a second with a sparkle color because your girl was feeling fancy. I was feeling like Beyonce. I was like, yeah, I went back in, I used the same brush, but I cleaned it off. I was showing y'all that I was cleaning that brush off, so y'all don't think I'm dirty. But it also helped pick up that glitter because when your brush is a little bit damp, it helps pick up the glitter a little better. So yeah, we're gonna put that in the crease because I want to do a little razzle dazzle, and it kind of made the black pop. I didn't want to look gothic, but I was feeling more. Y'all know I love me a little dark vampy lip. Of course I didn't do it with this one. I just put some brown on, but I like a little vibe. You know what I'm saying? A little I want to be honest because I go see my therapist a lot. So, you know, we just, it's okay. Anyways, I don't know what that had to do with anything. But I was about to put some dots on. Then I was like, no, because the other day I put them dots on. I thought it was cute. Somebody told me, girl, sis, your mascara is running. I said, no, it's not. That's a style. So I won't do that no more. And anyways, then I'm going to go in with some eyeliner per. And I don't know why these people keep walking past me. Like, I'm trying to do this voiceover and people is looking up in here. I got my iPad in the car. Maybe that's why. Anyways, mind your business. So yeah, I'm just putting this little liner on because I feel like I needed to add some dimension to my eyes. And I put this blush on. I was like, whoa, wait a second. That's a bit much. We looking a little cherried. It was the wrong one. I normally don't pick that one, but I ain't had no choice but to keep going in because I ain't had no time to redo all of this. So I just went in, and if I look a little shocked and surprised, don't mind that because your girl is black. Anyways, so then I go in with some brown lip liner, and I really just do my basic lip with this, and I'm going to put some gloss on with this. Or not gloss, I'm actually going to use the Morphe Make It Big gloss moisturizer. I really love this. It's not really a gloss, it's more so of a moisturizer, but it has like a mint smell to it. And baby, let me tell you something, if your breath ain't fresh, your lips will be with this. But please brush your teeth because you should. Anyways, and then we're gonna set the face, and that's all we got. And look at her, you know you want my number. Anyways, yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.